This is the Pacaya Volcano in Guatemala. 2 years ago it looked like this. There was an eruption and it was possible to see the lava flowing down the mountain. Let's see how this volcano looks now in 2022. We are also going to roast marshmallows on the hot air coming from the volcano. The hike to this volcano is pretty easy. It takes just 1 hour from the starting point. What a strange animal. If you know its name, write it down in the comments. And there we go. Up there is the summit of the Pacaya Volcano. But it's actually not allowed to go to the summit because it's too dangerous. But now let's look for a place where we can roast our marshmallows. Between the cold lava there are gaps with hot air coming out of the ground. And there we placed our marshmallows. A little bit later they were ready to eat. I just made a new friend. Our guide told us that this dog actually lives here on the volcano, and I think he's eating all the marshmallows from the tourists. Not very healthy, but that's how he survives. Now it's time to go down, and our new friend is following us. If you want to see a video where I climbed an active volcano, also in Guatemala, you can click on this video.